Today we got a package from Max Speeding Rods. Today in this video, we're gonna be trying out their brand new top of the line coilovers. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Max Speeding Rods, why would you even waste your money? But guys, we're gonna give them a try and we're gonna see how these coilovers feel. These coilovers go for around $550 retail. They were nice enough to send me a package for me to try them out and see how they feel. And I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. So we're basically gonna go through this experience together to see how they feel. All right, let's see how these coilovers look. Ooh, that's pretty. This is their new coilover design. They do look really nice though. I do like this blue color. Or singular too.
The shop dog right here.
Almost get out! Get out!
Stop yelling at the dog.
Without further ado, let's put him on the car. Today we're gonna be putting it on the Lexus ISF. As you guys know, the infamous Lexus ISF. Don't show him the plate number.
Okay.
So as you guys can see, the current ride height, it is monstrous. Monstrous, terrible, not good. We want to eliminate this completely. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I'm going to show you guys how to install your coilovers. The easy, efficient, and the right way to do it. So let's get to it. Without further ado. I'm not going to do that. So, my fault. Alright, I cut that. Step number 1, get your car in the air, whether it be a jack or a lift. In this case, I have a lift, it's a little easier, but it doesn't matter what you have, get it in the air. Step number 2, take off your wheels. Pop your hood, and you're gonna find these little bolts right here.
I swear, this doesn't want to budge at all.
It's because did you loosen the bolt in the middle? Yeah.
No, hold on. I didn't loosen that shit. We can though. There's the old coilover right there. With these coilovers, one thing that they will not send you is this arm. So you gotta pull it out of this factory coil and attach it onto this one. For that one, I believe this should be maybe, I guess it's an 18 millimeter. And I don't know how we're gonna get that off. Boom, just one bolt. And try to break this off. Give it a little bit of taps.
Cha-ching!
Make sure you clean the mounting points right there. So you see how all that rust is in there? Just spray a little bit of carb cleaner or anything and wipe that off. For our case, I don't care, so I'm gonna just install it.
Yeah, I mean, it is a piece of shit. I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Same way how you removed it. Just attach it back on. And make sure you do about 5 to 6 ugga-duggas.
What?
That's enough ugga-duggas for that one. I hit my hand on this, bro.
You okay?
It hurt. I need 2 cheeseburgers now.
I want the low or the rear as low as I can.
No, if you're gonna mess up your tires, your suspension, your undercarriage, your exhaust, your drivetrain, you're gonna mess up.
It's going to scrape like a you can't go on
But I'm gonna be.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You're not a real homie if you don't let the homies drive.
See, is that true or what?
You're the one that said that in your video.
You wanna drive my cars? I get it, bro. I got you.
Alright, so make sure to align these real nicely before you install them so your life is a little bit easier. After you got it into this position, just put this on and don't lose your bolts.
Facing all that shit.
Baby. Come here. Sit. Come here. God.
Yeah.
Sit. You want it? Sit. You hungry? Sit. Hey. Stop it.
Bro,
What are you doing, dude?
Jack did nothing to me, bro.
Barbara's
You hate
get
Jack.
back.
Why do you hate Jack?
If you have an extra jack and then use it to jack up your control arm, it's gonna make things a lot easier. Jack it up, jack it up.
I can't stress this enough. Always hand thread them before you impact. You don't want to cross thread your bolts. That's free Loctite, I know. But trust, it's going to be hard taking it off.
Yo, can you like move over? You're kind of like all over my space.
It's cold, bro.
And I'm not wearing underwear. I'm just kidding.
Oh my God!
All right, let's check the ride height.
And it's going to get lower after you ride it for a little bit.
Lower it all the way. Oh, that's perfect. That's literally actually perfect.
Holy look at that motherfucker.
Calm down, dude. Relax. Booty's getting wet.
The next day.
Back with another YouTube video. This is part 2 of the Coilovers.
Yippee!
Long days, dark nights, yeah. I done made a sacrifice, yeah. Do it for the fam, so I'm putting in that overtime, yeah. Money ain't the motive, but I'm looking for that lavish life.
You can't even see Shadi.
In this race, for the finish line. I think I'm back on my ways. I just been working for days.
I don't even got my own car fixed yet.
I don't even know how to do this, bro. I've never adjusted coilovers.
And then some.
Yeah, money ain't the motive, but I'm looking for that lavish life. Yeah, running in this race, I was searching for the finish line. Ooh, I think I'm back on my ways. I just been working for days. Mama said, "Where you get all of this cake?" I told her I made it like dough when I baked up. Used to be working at minimum wage. I find out where now they riding my wave. Waking up early and sleeping so late, cause I got a dream.
Let me put you on game.
You probably need to raise it a little bit, bro. It's too low. Who the farted, bro?
Off that dude.
Bro, stop with that childish bro.
Stop
Child.
silent and sneaky shit.
You're going 70 straight, I mean.
Yeah. It's actually really smooth.
It feels smooth, right?
Yeah.
It feels really smooth, don't it? It feels very smooth to me. It feels planted.
They're pretty solid.
We got 4 people in the car, man. We got 4 people in the car, man. Damn,
4
the
people.
bro wants attention that bad. So how do you feel about your new coilovers?
I think they're pretty good, bro. Congratulations.
You got the same exact brand.
I got the same brand on my IRS 300.
Max speeding
2004
rods.
Sport Design Edition.
Really?
I bent my tie rod, but
I got the same ones as well on my 2002 Honda Civic EP3.
there's only 300 made in the world. Get on my level. Get a check. Look it up. Look it up.
I'll search it up.
Look up the 2004 Sport Design. That's why they're so rare. But somebody stole the LSD off my car. They put a fuck.
Long days, dark nights, yeah. I done made a sacrifice, yeah. Do it for the fam, so I'm putting in that overtime, yeah. Money ain't the motive.